In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. This issue can be frustrating, but we'll walk through some simple steps to address it. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head to the Yahoo login page. Start by typing in your Yahoo email address and click on the Next button. This will prompt you to enter your password. Make sure you enter it correctly, then hit Next again to log into your account. Once you're logged in, it's a good idea to check your spam and trash folders. Sometimes emails can be automatically sorted into these folders, even if they're important. So take a moment to see if any missing emails have ended up there. Next, if you have email filters set up, they might be affecting the delivery of your messages. To check these, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Yahoo Mail page and select More Settings. In the left panel, find Filters. Here, you can review any active filters to see if they're moving emails to specific folders or deleting them altogether. If you find filters that might be causing issues, consider adjusting or removing them to ensure your emails arrive in the main inbox. Another common issue is running out of storage space. If your Yahoo Mail inbox is full, it can prevent new emails from arriving. You can check your mailbox usage by returning to the settings. Click on More Settings and look for the storage meter at the bottom of the page. If you're near or over the limit, try deleting old emails you no longer need or consider upgrading your storage capacity. This will help ensure that there's enough space for new messages to come through. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues you have with not receiving emails on Yahoo Mail. Remember, keeping an eye on your spam and trash folders regularly, maintaining your email filters, and managing your storage will help maintain the smooth operation of your email account. Thanks for taking the time to address this common email problem with me today. If you found this helpful, consider checking out other tutorials for more tips and tricks to optimize your email experience.